The Benz, Mr. Worldwide. Let the beat talk to him.
Okay, welcome to Astronomy Steve, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you Amharic Alphabet. Ethiopia is the only African country which has alphabet, its own alphabet, and that alphabet is Amharic. Still, Amharic Alphabet has 34 mother letters, and each letter has 6 dotted letters and 7 in total. Therefore, Amharic has 7 times 34, 238 letters. For example, if we take Ha, the first Amharic letter, it's the first Amharic letter, and it has 6 dotted letters. Look, here there is Ha, it's the first or the mother letter, and these are the dotted letters. So, I can call this Ha, okay, Hu, He, Ha, He, He, Ho. Okay, so this is number 1 that you remember. If you remember the good number, these 2, this 3, this 4, this 5, this 6, and this 7. Every Amharic alphabet has 7 parts. One the mother letter, and the other the dotted letters. Okay, let's go ahead. So Amharic has 4 namesakes or namesake letters. The 4 namesake letters are Ha, Se, A, and Se. Na, this is represents this end. So the first is Ha. Okay, Ha has 3 other namesakes, including with Ha it's 4. Se has 1 other namesake, A has 1 other namesake, and Se has 1 other namesake. Namesakes means they are of the same sound, so you can use them interchangeably. Okay, let's go. The first namesake is Ha, and it has the 4 namesakes. So my friend is gonna read for you now.
Ha, Hu, He, Ha, He, Ho. Another is Ha, Hu, He, Ha, He, Ho. And the third is Ha, Hu, He, Ha, He, Ho. And the other is Ha, Hu, He, Ha, He, Ho.
Okay, as you see, everybody, you can use one of them. Okay, either this, or this. Okay, you can use one, it's the same. But in Greece, it has different meaning. As long as you are not speaking Greece, you can use one of this Ha. And the second namesake is Sa, and my friend is gonna read for you now.
Sa, Su, Si, Sa, Se, Se, So. Another says Sa, Su, Si, Sa, Se, Se, So.
Good. Like the other namesakes, I can use either this or this. Okay, this or this. They are the same. You can use them interchangeably. And the third namesake is A, and A is the Amharic vowel. They have 2, and there are 2. And my friend is gonna read for you again.
U, I, A, E, O. Another is A, U, e, a, e, o.
Good. The common is this. Even the native Amharic speaker and uses this not this but you can use any of to read Amharic. You have to know both of them, but to write you can use any one of them. And the fourth and the last namesake is ța. My friend is gonna read for you.
ță, ጹ, ጺ, ጻ, ጼ, ፅ, ጾ. Another says ță, ጹ, ጺ, ጻ, ጼ, ፅ, ጾ.